Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about EthenaAirdrop. So currently in Binance incubation season 6 no, they have incubated 3 projects. In that one, Ethena Labs is one of the project, and currently there is a campaign called Shard campaign is going on. So we'll be able to participate in the Shard campaign. So I'll tell you the criteria, what and all you need to do in order to get this Shard every single day. Okay, so before we see about it, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button guys and click on the bell icon and like this video and continue watching it guys, because many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button, so and that motivates me a lot too. Okay, so like the video and continue watching it guys. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop detail, airdrop link, everything I'll be providing it here only. So in case there is another airdrop called Concrete XYZ airdrop. Okay, so in case if you haven't participated here, just click on this thread, you will know how to participate here. Okay, so simple task only, it hardly takes 3 minutes of your time. And about this EthenaAirdrop also, I gave an update inside our Telegram channel. I made a complete thread for this one, how you can participate. Okay, so in case if you can't understand by watching this video, you can watch this thread and then you'll get to know. Or else if you want to share your referral link in this comment section, just go there and share your referral link. If the community members, if you guys want to use some of the community members referral link, you can go and use their referral link. Okay, so now let's start the video guys. So I'll be leaving all these links inside my Telegram channel. So if you click on the link, it will take you here. So the first thing, we need to connect our wallet here. So just click on the connect wallet and click on the MetaMask, then your MetaMask will get connected here. Okay, if you see our thread now, so here you can see this project have raised literally $6.5 million in the fund rise, and currently the gas fees are so high. Okay, so if you try to do any kind of transaction now, it's like the gas fees currently, when I tried to do, it was around $40, $30. In the morning time it was around $10, $20, something like that. And currently many people are trying this right now, so that's why the gas is so high. So you can try this when the gas fee is very low. Okay, and potential gain, we can easily get $1,000 to $5,000 profit guys if we just invest a huge amount of money here, because the Binance Lab have invested in this project. That is the major reason. So it has a high chance of getting listed in Binance also. So if that happens, people who are having this shard, no, they might get the huge amount of reward for the shards. Okay, so it's very easy, the process. Okay, but the thing is, we gotta invest here. Okay, so always I'll be telling this in my videos. So if there is any sorts of investment, you gotta do at your own risk, because whatever happens at the end of the day, it's your money, it's your hard-earned money. So know that before you invest into any sorts of project. Okay, so on this particular project I have 100% trust, because Binance Lab have invested, so that itself more than enough. And recently many Binance Labs invested project got listed in Binance, and those projects gave huge amount of airdrop to the people who interacted with their platform, or brought the NFT, or did some interaction with their platform. Okay, so first thing guys, we need to come here and we need to connect our wallet. So once our wallet got connected, you need Ethereum. Okay, so have some Ethereum and have some USDT. Okay, because we gotta use Ethereum as a gas fee, and we need to use USDT to buy the USDE. Okay, so now there are 3 ways for you to earn the rewards. Okay, so one way is to provide liquidity and lock the LP tokens, and another way is to buy and hold the USD token, and stake and hold SUSDE. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do all these 3 things. So first of all, after it got connected, now the first thing we gotta do is buy and hold USD. Okay, so just click on this buy. So once you click on the buy, it will take you here, and your USDT balance will show up here. For example, you're having and one more main thing guys, if you're having low amount of balance, no, for example $100 or $200, yeah, it is considered to be low in this project if you wanted to invest, considering the gas fee. Okay, so the gas fee is so high, so you can try if you have at least $500 to $1,000 is the minimum range to start this airdrop itself. So what we need to do is we have to have some balance. Okay, so for example $200 if you're having in USDT in Ethereum chain, so just type the amount and you gotta have some gas fee. Okay, so currently if you go and see the gas fee, it's so high. It was showing for me it was $40, something like that, so that's why I'm not doing now. So I'll be doing it little later with a very low gas fee. Okay, so don't do when there is a high gas fee, but here here the time is running out. Okay, so 13 days 7 hours is there for the epoch one. So every single day you will be able to earn these shards. Okay, so for example, currently we're going to buy this USDE only, no? So in case if you are buying this USDE for $1, you will be able to get 5 shards. Okay, so if you're purchasing $2 USDT, you will be getting 10 shards. Okay, I hope you understand. So for example, currently we are buying it for 100 USD. Okay, so for example, if I'm buying it for 100 USDT into 5, okay, so 500 shards every single day I'll be able to earn if I just purchase 100 USD and just holding it, simply holding it here. So if you do so, you'll be earning literally every single day 500 shards you'll be able to earn by just holding $100 alone. Okay, so this is the safest way because your balance will be just staying in your wallet in the stable coin. So it is the safest way by just going in this alone. Okay, so in order to go for this one, if you click on buy, it will take you here. So here you need to put the amount of token how much you want to buy. So if you put $100, and here you can see how much you're going to receive will show up, and the gas fee is currently $18 here it's showing, but if you try to do the transaction it will show $40 above. Okay, so currently the GUI is so high right now. So here you can see the GUI 43. Okay, so wait for the cooldown period, guys. So sometimes it will go down, so by the time when it's going down, no, so then come and do the swap and get your USDE. Okay, so once you got the token, no, so you have completed this task. Okay, so if you want to get this SUSDE, no, so if you stake your USDE, you will be able to get this one, but don't do this one. It's very low shards you are going to get for just taking it, so I won't recommend you to do this one. Instead, you can provide liquidity and lock the LP token so that you'll be getting 20 shards per dollar. So 20 shards per dollar per day. Okay, so that means imagine, so in case if you are locking your LP token, $100 worth of LP you are locking, no, every single day you'll be able to earn 2000 shards. Okay, so locking your liquidity would be giving you higher number of shards, but the thing is it's very risky. The reason is you might face impermanent loss and all. Okay, but also I'll show you how you can get and lock your token. Okay, so just click on this lock. So once you click on that, it will take you here, and here you can see these are the pools currently available. This got filled, even this got filled. Okay, and all these three pool got filled, and only available thing is this one. Okay, so if you want to do something with this one, just click on that. It will take you here to the curve. Okay, so guys, here we need to deposit. Okay, so we can do the single deposit, I guess. If you only have the balance of this USDE, just type the number of amount that you are having and just approve it, and then we need to deposit. So after you deposit, just head back here, and then you'll be able to see your LPs here. Okay, so then you need to click on the maximum and then just do the lock, and once you locked it, your balance will be locked it here. Okay, and mainly guys, if you want to unlock your token here, you need to wait for 21 days after unlocking. After that only you'll be able to get your balance back. So 21 days your amount will be locked. So these are the main things you gotta notice before you do any sorts of this kind of investment. Okay, but this is the only way for you to get the higher number of shards. So people will surely go for this kind of investment. The thing is, the Binance Lab have invested in this one, so when they do airdrop, it will be very huge. Obviously people will be getting thousands and thousands of dollars in profit if they give airdrop to the people who are having higher number of shards. So if you want to have the higher number of shards, people will go for this only. Okay, so which is providing liquidity and lock the LP token. Okay, and if you want to be in the safer side, and which I recommend you, is go for this one, buy and hold this USDE, so that in case if you are just holding it for $100 also, you'll be able to earn 500 shards every single day. Okay, so go with this one. In this way, whenever you want to get back your token, just go to here and we can again swap back to the USDT. So this is the safest way, the middle one. So know the risk and do this, guys. Rewards will be in the May 2024. Okay, so in the May 2024 we will get to know the rewards and all. So must try this one, guys. The reason is it is Binance backed project, so that is the one and only reason that I am telling you to must try. And never invest more than you can afford to lose, okay? And if you're only having $100 or if you're only having $500, do not try this one, because you're going to lose lot of money just by interacting with this platform. You're going to lose lot of money by paying lot of gas fees, okay? So that's why I'm telling you, because I don't want to simply tell you to go and try and all. There is a hell lot of gas fees going on here, so know the risk, know everything before you invest, okay? Anyway, in the end of the day, it's your hard-earned money, so know your risk and then invest, okay? So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. These are the steps you gotta do, and if you have any doubt, no, you can go inside my thread, okay? So I made a thread step-by-step process, what and all you need to do. If you want, you can watch this also, or if you want to share your referral link, you can go to this thread and try to share your referral link here, so that other people, if they are watching, they can go and get the referral link for you for your account. And pretty much that's it, guys. And one more thing I wanted to cover in this video is about this grass token, okay? So today alone I mined 1000 grass token, okay? So it's like 13 hours I'm continuously running, and I made around 1000 above grass token. So if you haven't watched this video, you can go to my channel, you can find this video, Telegram channel also and YouTube channel also. Must watch this video, guys. It's free only, it's not an investment one. So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you all like this video. Make sure to hit the like button, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.